Is it time to buy or sell Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we will explore the depths of Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of March 2025, our system has categorized Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's explore the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 1,096.51% since we initially suggested purchasing Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited 37 days ago. This results in an average return of approximately 29.64% per day since it was rated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. In the event of a pullback, there will now be support at the level of $91.39, which may offer a second opportunity for significant gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 226.66% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 3.49% and 97.71%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 257.64%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 77.79% to a decline of 16.26% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $33.54 and $126.45. Our latest daily update for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock price on Tuesday, moving between $100.13 and $245. The Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock price gained 62.58% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, rising from $92.88 to $151. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 144.68%, with a day low at $100.13 and a day high of $245. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 424.31% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 368,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 499,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $75,340,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $245, and the lowest price was $3.03. Currently, the price is 38.37% or $94, below the 52-week high of $245, which is also the all-time high for the stock. RGC Resources, Inc. has recently reported impressive second quarter earnings for fiscal year 2025, showing a significant increase in net income, rising to $7.68 million or 74 cents per share, up from $6.44 million or 63 cents per share in the same quarter last year. This growth can be attributed mainly to increased base rates effective from July 2024 and higher sales volumes, despite some challenges such as lower earnings from affiliates and elevated interest expenses. These results are likely to boost investor confidence in the company, a sentiment that could positively impact the stock's short-term price. Additionally, the board of directors declared a quarterly dividend of 20.75 cents per share, reinforcing the company's commitment to returning value to shareholders. This marks the 325th consecutive quarterly dividend, signaling financial stability. Such consistent dividend payments can attract income-focused investors and lead to sustained demand for RGC shares, contributing to longer-term stock price appreciation. As RGC continues to navigate its expansion into areas like Franklin County, the balance of rising customer demand against operational challenges will be crucial. Investors will be watching the upcoming earnings call on May 8th for insights into future growth prospects. Overall, the current earnings performance and the commitment to dividends position RGC favorably in the market, enhancing its attractiveness as an investment option in both the short and long term. Analysts have assigned Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. The stock of Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited is exhibiting buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. Additionally, a general buy signal is present due to the relationship between these signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $72.58 and $40.49. A breach below either of these points will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 541.73%. Continued upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal originating from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 24 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 69 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a buy signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 41 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we notice the short moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 37 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience significant challenges in the coming days. This stock is likely to demonstrate considerable price movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $144.87 between its high and low, which constitutes a movement of 144.68%. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 77.27%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited, let's first review some important fundamental information. To begin, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may imply inadequate profitability and could raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 28th of February, 2018, when Philip F. Anschutz conducted an insider sale of 12,440,000 shares of Class A common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $146.02, which reflects a decline of 3.3%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 85, further amplifying this risk. Notably, there is a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock a good buy? Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited presents several positive signals. However, we do not yet find these sufficient to recommend a purchase. At this point, it is advisable to consider it a hold candidate, meaning you may either hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 7th of May, we anticipate that Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited will open higher by $14.38, starting trading at $165.38. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.